2012 Hyundai Elantra. I'm going to show you guys how to remove the VVT solenoid, which is going to be located right here, this piece right here. What you need to do first is you're going to remove that engine cover right there, which has got 4 tabs. 1, 2, 3, 4. You just lift it up, it'll pop right off. Then you go over here and you'll have this wiring connector. So you just, that tab right here, you just lift it up and then it'll come right out. And then you got a 10mm right there. Careful not to drop that bolt. Take that bolt off. Now this one should just slide right out. If it's not sliding right out, it could be stuck in there because it hasn't been taken off in a while. Grab something like this. Make sure you have a good grip. Don't grab it on the plastic part. Grab it right here, like that, and then just kind of twist it left to right a little bit, and then pull it up. Now it's getting a P0011 code, so we're gonna remove it and inspect it. I just did an oil change and the oil was pretty black. It was just dirty. But before we put a new one, we're gonna go ahead and inspect this first. This one looks, see if I can zoom in. Yep, this one is definitely clogged up. So before we put a new one, we're gonna go ahead and try to clean all that out right there. And then once we clean it out, we're gonna put it back in and just reset the code, and then take it for a test drive and see if it comes back, if the code comes back or not. Just spraying it with brake cleaner. Yeah, just do your best to get all that gunk. What happens is, if the oil is not flowing through correctly here, it's being restricted, you're gonna get that code because you have oil passing through those ports, and if they're dirty and clogged, then it'll set off that code. It looks clean enough. Once you clean it, you got an O-ring right here. Just dab a little oil around it before you put it back in. You can get it from your dipstick. Put some on your finger and then just kind of rub it around the O-ring. Pop it back in. Put the 10mm bolt. Plug it back up. And then reset the code and then take it for a drive and see if it comes back. If it does come back, then you probably need to put a brand new one in there. But yep, that's it.